Imagine that your Arduino has to do two tasks: blinks LED and check button state, which can be pressed anytime. If we use delay function, your Arduino may miss some pressing event. In other words, your Arduino cannot do second task. Hi everyone, my name is Human and today is the third session of Arduino tutorial. In this session, we will learn how to blink LED and check the button state without missing any pressing event. If you like this content, I'm glad to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, at this time we have to know some prerequisites for this session. For example, like operators, variables, conditions, data type, and something like this that I recorded for you in another tutorial. I put the link in the description and here, and you can click and see the videos. Okay, but now we have to know about millis function. Millis function is used to return the number of milliseconds at the time the Arduino board begins running the current program. So before continuing, we have to see the example of this function. So let's go to Arduino IDE and see the example of this function. Okay guys, I copied this code from website and now I want to upload this code and show you the result. Okay, as you can see, this function returns millisecond from the start of program. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay guys, as you can see here, I bought an Arduino. I bought a button. Here you can see. I bought a 220 ohm resistor. I bought an LED and some wires and breadboard. Okay, and I bought USB cable type A to B. Okay, you can see here, and that's enough for this session. Okay guys, now it's time to wire these things together. First, I put LED on breadboard. Connect cathode pin to GND with wires. GND port of Arduino. Here, I think, yes, here. And another pin to resistor. Okay. And from resistor, sorry, I think it's good. And from resistor, it should connect to pin 10, and that's it. And here is its button. Put it on breadboard and connect one pin to pin 3 and another pin to GND port of Arduino, and that's it. Here, here, and that's it. Okay guys, I wrote this code and now I want to explain it for you. First of all, I made constant variable. Constant variable won't change. For example, LED pin is equal 10 and it won't change in future. Or button pin is equal to 3 and it won't change in future. And here is blink interval is equal 1000 millisecond means 1 second. And it's very simple. And if you want to get more information about variables, you can click on this link and go to variable session. Okay, let's go to make variable. Variable will change, okay, like LED state, previous button state. And you can see the comment here, LED state used to set the LED, okay? And previous button state will store last time button was updated, okay? So let's go to void setup block. First of all, I want to connect my Arduino to my PC to see the result from serial monitor. If you want to see the result from serial monitor, you have to write this line, serial.begin 9600, to connect your Arduino to your PC. Then I set the digital pin as output with pin mode function. Guys, if you don't know about LED and button, like pin mode, how it works, how to program and something like this, learn about them in first session of Arduino tutorial. Okay, I use pin mode, LED pin. LED pin means pin 10, okay? And set as output. And here, pin mode, button pin, set as input. Okay guys, let's go to void loop. These lines is for LED state. If the LED is off, turn it on, and vice versa. These lines is long form of condition. If you want to use short form of condition, you have to write in this syntax. I prefer to use short form of condition, so I comment these lines. And then I want to set LED state to my LED pin. If you want to set LED state to your LED pin, you have to use digital write function. Digital write LED pin, comma LED state, and that's it. It's very simple. And then I use delay. Here we have a note. If button is pressed during this time, Arduino cannot detect. This note is very important, and I will show you how to fix this problem in future. So don't worry about that. And then I want to read button state. If you want to read something from digital pins, you have to use digital read function. Okay, the syntax of digital read, here you can see digital read, then parentheses and your pin, okay, and that's it. Here my pin is button pin. And then I put everything that I read from button pin to current button state. Current button state is variable. You can see here. Int current button state equal digital read parentheses button pin. Okay, and that's it. Okay guys, and now for the last part of the code. As you can see, I use another condition. Okay, if this condition isn't true, the compiler won't read these lines, okay? But if this condition will true, the compiler read it, okay? And that's it. It's very simple. If current button is not equal to previous button, serial.println current button state, and then save the last state of button like this. Previous button state is equal to current button state, semicolon. Now I want to upload this file to my Arduino, and then I want to show you the result of this code. Now you can see the result of this session. If you open serial monitor, you can see 0 and 1 if you push this button. Okay guys, in last code we have a very important note. Now I want to show you how to fix that note. First of all, you have to make a previous millisecond. Okay, unsigned long previous millisecond equals 0. We'll store last time LED was updated. Okay, unsigned means just positive number. Okay, that's it. And here in void loop, when it is 1 second, this block, okay, will be read by the compiler. Otherwise, it won't be read, and you can check the state of the button. And this condition, it is written for this purpose. Okay, and here you can see unsigned long current millisecond I used millis function or millisecond function, okay, to get current millisecond. And here you can see the condition: millisecond minus previous millisecond greater than or equal to blink interval. Blink interval is 1 second. Okay guys, I think that's enough for this session. See you soon.